Alright, so listen, becoming friends with someone that you don't know can be fun. Here's some simple steps to help you. Number 1, start with a smile. A friendly smile can make you more approachable and set positive tones, okay? Number 2, initiate small talk. Begin with casual conversation. Ask simple questions about their interests, opinions, something happening around you, alright? Find common interests. Look for topics that you both enjoy. This could be hobbies, music, school subjects. Number 4, join the group activities, okay? Participate in clubs, events where you might meet them, okay? So shared experiences can help you connect. Number 5, be a good listener. Show genuine interest in what they say. Ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation going. Number 6, invite them to hang out. Once you've talked a bit, suggest doing something else later, like studying or grabbing a snack, reading the Bible. Number 7, be yourself. Authenticity is key. Let your true personality shine to build a genuine connection. All right? So by following these steps, you can start a new friendship with someone that you don't know. The best friend is Jesus, by the way.